Are you tired of missing important messages in Wise because you can't find the inbox? I get it. You log in, you know there are notifications or payment confirmations waiting for you, but the whole thing just feels hidden. In 30 seconds, I'll show you exactly where it is. So here's the plan. First, log into your Wise account like you normally would. Then, I'm going to walk you through 2 simple clicks to access your inbox. That's it. No digging through settings menus or searching for a lost tab. All right, let's do this. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the top navigation bar. Now, this is the part that trips a lot of people up. You might be looking for an envelope icon or a bell icon somewhere on the main dashboard, and when you don't see one, you just assume the messages are gone or delayed. But in Wise, the inbox is tucked away under your profile menu. I've spent a good amount of time testing this interface, and honestly, I found myself doing the same thing at first. So if you've been looking at the main page and thinking, where is it? Don't worry, you are not alone. Find your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. It might be your initials in a circle or a simple person silhouette. Go ahead and click on that. It opens up a drop-down menu with account options like your settings and help center. Now, once that dropdown is open, you're going to see an option that says Inbox. And here's the really important part. Do not click away or look for it somewhere else in the navigation bar. It is specifically inside that dropdown. I've seen people click on their profile, see the menu, and then still scroll up and down the page looking for a separate Inbox button. It's not there. It's right here. Select Inbox to view your messages. When you click on it, it will take you directly to your message center. This might take a moment to load if you have a lot of history in your account, so just give it a second to populate. Inside, you'll see everything. Payment receipts, security notifications, support replies, all of it. No more worrying that you missed an important email about a transfer or a request from a payee. And that's really all there is to it. From being unable to find those critical messages to knowing exactly where to look, you've just unlocked the whole communication hub of your Wise account. So next time you log in and you're expecting a notification, just remember the 2 clicks. Profile icon, then Inbox. You've got this.